Today we have a pair of leather gloves with a tear. I'll show you a quick and easy way to patch them up. For patching, we need some seam sealing tape. I bought this tape for fixing leaking seams on my waterproof jacket. Now I can fix my gloves with it. The tape comes in different qualities, but for this purpose it's best to use one with textile reinforcement. It's a bit more expensive, but the cheaper plastic tapes aren't as good for this purpose. Normally the tape is applied to the inner surface of the garment, but here we are sticking it to the outer. I place the smooth side of the patch onto the surface of the glove. The glue on the patch melts when it is heated, and the patch sticks to the surface. I'm using a hot air soldering tool for this. You can use a clothes iron too, but you need to add some baking paper between. Otherwise some of the hot glue sticks to your iron. Heat the patch enough for the glue to seep in. It's also important to press patch firmly. A clothes iron presses the surfaces better but heats the leather a lot, because the iron must be at highest temperature. This hot air tool gets hot instantly and heats only the patch. Also I get a quick repair. If the patch comes off later, I can quickly heat it again. The seam tape is meant to be attached to the inside, so it doesn't adhere perfectly to the outer surface. Be prepared to reheat some patches later. So that's how you do a quick patch. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.